Hello friends, welcome to Online Study for You. This is Pratik Srivastava, your placement trainer. Today I am going to discuss few of the very important questions from profit and loss which will be frequently asked in the AMCAT exams, and I am going to tell you some tricks. With the help of that you will be able to solve the questions within 5 to 10 seconds. So let's start with the question number 1. The cost price of 10 article is equals to selling price of 8 articles. The gain percentages. Now what you have to do is, see, if we have any kind of gain, then you write the smaller value on the left side and you write the bigger value on the right side. Now this becomes your CP and this becomes your SP. Now what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the gain percentage. So the gain percentage will be gain divided by cost price into 100. Now if you'll see what is the gain is 2 rupees, and if we'll talk about the cost price, 8 rupees into 100, so this will be 4, and 4 will divide 100 by 25%. So this is a formula which you can keep in mind, and this is a trick which I told you. If there is any kind of gain, then you put the smaller value on the left side and you put the bigger value on the right side, and you calculate the gain will be 2 rupees divided by cost price into 100, and that's give you 25%. Because I am explaining you here, it is taking more than 30 seconds, otherwise you can do the questions within 10 seconds. Question number 2 is similar to question number 1. If the cost price of 15 books is equals to the selling price of 20 books, then the loss percentage. If there is any kind of loss is there, then the bigger value you write on the left side and then the smaller value you write on the right side. Now you see your loss percentage will be loss divided by cost price into 100. Now what is the loss? The loss is 5 rupees and the cost price is 20 rupees into 100. So this will be 20 into 5, 100, and 5 into 5 will be 25%. So there will be a loss of 25%. So when they are asking you the loss percentage in the question, then what you have to do, the bigger value you have to write on the left side and then the smaller value you have to write on the right side. Now in the left side becomes your CP and the right side becomes your SP. So you can see there is a loss of 5 rupees. So loss percentage you have to calculate, that means loss is 5 rupees divided by cost price 20 into 100. If you will simplify, 25% will be the answer. Let's move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is a very important question, and this kind of questions has been asked many a times in AMCAT and e-litmus exam. So let's try to solve the question here. A shopkeeper purchases 11 knives in 10 rupees. So see, 11 knives, what is the price? 10 rupees is the price, and sells them at the rate of 10 knives, and they are selling 10 knives for 11 rupees. He earns a profit, and then you have to calculate the percentage of profit, right? You have to calculate the percentage of profit. You can see the option is given in terms of percentage of profit. So what you have to do is you have to do a cross multiplication, do the cross multiplication and write it in the left and right side respectively. So 10 into 10 will be 100 rupees and 11 into 11 will be 120. Now you see what is the percentage difference here. See, actually in the terms of value there will be 21 rupees difference. If you calculate the percentage, then 21 divided by 100 into 100. See, the gain is, you can say from here, the gain is 21 rupees. So if you have to calculate gain percentage or profit percentage, then gain divided by cost price into 100. So your gain is 21 rupees divided by cost price 100 into 100, so it will be 21%. But when 100 with respect to 100 rupees, if you have to calculate the percentage, then that will be directly 21%. No need to calculate gain percentage here. So by doing the cross multiplication, immediately you will be able to tell the answer. Option D will be the correct answer for this question. Let's move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is also a similar question to question number 3. So let's try to solve it here. Orange are bought at 5 for 10 rupees. So 5 oranges for how many rupees? 10 rupees. And sold at 6 for 15 rupees. 6 oranges sold for 15 rupees. Now again do the cross multiplication. So 10 into 6 will be 60 and 5 into 15 will be 75. This becomes our cost price and this becomes our selling price. You have to calculate loss or profit percent. So in this case you can see there is a profit. So what is the profit amount? Profit is 15 rupees. Profit is there. You have to calculate percentage of profit. So percentage of profit will be profit divided by cost price into 100. So this formula you have to remember, that's all, and you will be able to solve the questions very much quickly. So profit is 15 rupees, cost price is 60 into 100. So this will be 4 times 100 divided by 4 will be 25%. So 25% profit will be the correct answer for this question. So these kind of questions which will be frequently asked in AMCAT and NEET exam, you will be able to solve within 10 seconds. So I hope you understood all the questions. Thanks a lot for watching the video.
वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो इसे लाइक करें और अभी तक अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज इसे सब्सक्राइब करें और नई वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाएं।